Hello, I'm Andy Zaccaro, and today we're going to actually show how you set up a GO-25 knife assembly. The GO-25 knife assembly is one of the heavier duty knives in our product line, and it's designed to cut light gauge wires, gasket material, thin gauge metals, and they're ideal to use in all type of assembly process. And we're going to show you how you can put it together very quickly and simply and have it reliably work each time. We're going to show you how to assemble and replace the blades on a GO-25 knife. Before we start, it's really important to know that the airlines must be removed for safety. And then the first thing we do is we would install the top movable blade. We put the lower shoulder bolt in with the flat facing to the top, and the washers and the Belleville washer should be against the blade. With the two bolts in place and the Loctite on the threads, the first thing we do is we tighten up the screw for the knife pivot bolt so that it is just barely touching the flat. Then we take the locking nuts that have a nylock insert so the nuts do not loosen up. We put them both on the top and the bottom bolts. Now that it's tight on the shoulder, the top bolt is in place, and now we tighten the lower bolt. We do that by tightening the nut, and once the nut is snug against the bottom blade, we give a quarter turn, and now the blade is set. Once the blade is set, we actually now come in and tighten the locking set screw to keep the knife bolt from moving. It also locks it in place. We've just set the GO-25 knife assembly. If we can help you in any way, please feel free to contact us anytime.